morning, guys. Yeah, 17th of September. Yeah, I have a lot to do. I started to make pineapple cider, and I'm boiling at the moment, as you can see here. And I prepared everything, the sugar, tea and the ingredients. And we have some guys here. Finally, we found someone who is renting our boutique. I'll show you now. So this is our boutique, and it has no bathroom and no shower. So we need to build a zip-to, and here comes in a shower and a toilet. And of course it's a very hard job to do because we have to transfer this. Must be 2 meter deep, can you imagine that? 2 meter, and at the moment it's only 1 meter. And all this soil must come to the other side. And yeah, it's a lot of work. And of course it's very hard when it's so hot at the moment. Yeah, let's see what I can do with my pineapple. I'll show you. And the tea. And then I need to cool it down to room temperature, which is not easy here in this climate. And I have to add yeast, and then it comes into my fermentation container. Talk to you later. Yeah, one helper is trying to get some mango. Yeah, he got 2 sacks of mango. There are so many mangoes on the street. Oh my, I really feel so sad with these guys. It's really a very tough job to build a zip-to. Everything by hand. And then they have to transfer this soil here to the back of our house, around the corner here. It is really a tough job. Yeah, it is around 4 o'clock at the moment. This night it was raining like hell. It was 11 o'clock last night. We woke up because it was super strong rain. And all the power had been shut down in whole San Carlos City. Everything was super dark. And then the rain stopped, and after a while they turned on the power again. But I can tell you, this was really a super hard rain and heavy wind. Okay, talk to you later. Hello guys. Yeah, this is the situation now with our zip-to. They brought some soil to the other side from my sister-in-law's land. And yeah, almost 2 meter deep. And still a lot to do. And the delivery is coming here with the hollow blocks, and then they will start to add also concrete, and then let's see how it looks like later on. Yeah, and this tree, the time is over for this tree, has to be removed soon. Yeah, it is 1:30 at the moment, and it looks like rain. Is not so very sunny anymore, as you can see. And yeah, rain sometimes is nice because it's refreshing. Yeah. We prepared now a nice coffee. We still have some coffee from Ireland, but normally we also drink coffee cold, which is very nice, the taste. Yes, and these are my old vintage speaker I bought in, I think, 1997 in Berlin, Moritzplatz, on the flea market, and during the year they're totally rotten. And this one is pretty bad. The other one looks like that, but in a real better condition. It's a little bit dark at the moment here. The bulb is too weak, but this one is in much better condition. Yeah, and now I asked some helper to cut some wood. So my plan is to rebuild the casing, the box, but to reuse the original material to cover the box. Let's see the result, how it looks like. And unfortunately here, broken. The light is very bad at the moment, but yeah, these need to be renewed, the middle and the height treble speaker. Yeah, and he is doing the job because I cannot cut so straight. Like, he's doing really good. Good morning, San Carlos City. 6 o'clock in the morning. Over there you can see the Candaon mountain. It is still active, but only smoke is coming outside, so no eruption or something like that. Let's see how my pineapple cider looks like. Yeah, let's see how my pineapple cider looks like. Yeah, it's fermenting. You can see the bubbles. Another few days and then I will transfer this to another container, and that the sediment's going down, and pineapple cider will be clear. Talk to you later. Let's see how my plants look like. Yeah, this is honey melons, aubergine, hops, okra, and nothing is coming out yet. So I have to spray. This is pepper, and this is beans, and this is Strophantin, watermelon, tomatoes. Nothing is coming out yet. Let's see. First I have to water them. So my Pandesal are finished. Let's see how they taste, and we are preheating the oven now. This is the first time we're using our new oven, which has no preheat function. And here you can see only 110, 100, 140, 190, up to 280. Very not really precise, and we do not know when, for example in this case 160 degrees, when it reached the temperature. There is no information. This light seems to be only for this area here, but this is for the baking oven, and this is really bad. So we always need to check when you like to preheat the oven. We only can, by feeling, know that the temperature has reached the expected temperature here. This is really bad. This is really bad. So all the time we have to have a look. Here are my Pandesal. They look good already. It is smelling nice, but we do not know when preheating the oven when the temperature is reached. This is so bad. Well, that's what we have at the moment, and maybe another 5-10 minutes, and then we will see what is the taste of my first baked Pandesal here in the Philippines. Oh, the ladies are looking now for the zip to progress. Let's see how it looks like. All the soil has to be done. This will be a lot of work. Very deep, huh? My Pandesal are nice, but unfortunately they are dark on the bottom, because I have no idea how this works. Maybe because of this one here. and I should have changed it to this, but here this is the temperature and this is for up and down, so I have no idea how this works. So we need to get rid of this one here. And what is the taste?
Moment.
Need to try?
Yeah. It's good or the
I'll try.
yeah, good.
Okay, good. Yeah, drinking my homemade banana liquor. Yeah, I've done it I think 2 years ago, and it's really still okay. Yeah. Let's try. That's still okay after 2 years or so. Really delicious. Yeah, and by the way, these are the mangoes from our ex-mango tree. Yeah, one guy picked them up from the tree, and I don't know how long it takes until they are yellow. Doesn't look too good at this one here, but maybe 1-2 weeks and then they are getting yellow. And yeah, from our ex-mango tree.